Hello guys, welcome back. Today in this video, let's see the pros and cons of AWS. Let's get into the video. Here's a list of some pros and cons of using Amazon Web Services. Pros: scalability. AWS allows you to easily scale up or down based on your needs. Global reach. AWS has a vast network of data centers around the world, ensuring low latency access and high availability. Wide range of services. AWS offers a diverse array of services including computing power, storage, databases, machine learning, and more. Cost effective. AWS operates on a pay-as-you-go model, which can be more cost-effective than maintaining your own infrastructure. High security. AWS provides robust security features and compliance with various standards. Built-in disaster recovery. AWS offers built-in disaster recovery options to ensure business continuity. Vendor lock-in. AWS has a large ecosystem of third-party integrations and services. Managed services. AWS also provides managed services, reducing the need for extensive in-house expertise. Cons. The following cons of AWS given below. Complex pricing. AWS pricing can be complex and difficult to manage, leading to unexpected costs. Steep learning curve. AWS has a steep learning curve, especially for new users. Vendor lock-in. While AWS offers many integrations, it can also lead to vendor lock-in, making it difficult to switch providers. Service outages. Like any cloud service, AWS can experience outages, which can impact your operations. Data transfer costs. Transferring data between AWS regions or out of AWS can incur additional costs. Security concerns. While AWS is secure, there are still concerns about data privacy and security in the cloud. Technical support fees. Premium technical support comes with additional fees. Resource management. Managing resources and optimizing costs can be challenging. Does this help? Is there anything specific you'd like to know more about AWS? Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos.